Okay guys, so in this 60-second EdTech tip, I'm going to be talking about how you can use Google Jamboard collaboratively with your students, socially distanced, just like you would on a normal whiteboard or slate that you would use in a group. Let's get to the video. This Google Jamboard tutorial, I just want to give you a quick tip of an idea. Right now, I'm in a hybrid model and I only have a few students. So here's what I did. This is my first slide, and I took out a slide and I shared it with all the students in my class. But what I did is I said, hey, this is my slide, right? So Mr. Z, I go ahead and wrote that on there. But then on each one of the other ones, I wrote the student's initials either here or in the lower hand corner. This student, I think, just deleted them after he got started working. That's fine. So you can see their initials in the bottom of the screen, and then I had them only use their Jamboard. This allowed me to go through and to critique, comment on what they were drawing as I was doing this science demonstration. So I can see their predictions, we can respond to them, we can talk about them in class, and then the kids are held accountable. At the very end of the lesson, what I do is I just revoke their privileges as far as editors, change it back to view, and then they can always look at what they did. Hey, I hope that video was helpful to you. Just like all of our other videos, they're going to be showing up on our new blog, kicksomeclass.com, where every video that we create, whether it's for teachers, students, or parents, is really helping you design to kick some class, either whether you're remote, whether you're in person, or in some weird hybrid like I am. So go ahead and check that out, kicksomeclass.com. Check out our other 60-second EdTech tips, and also any of the other really cool videos that we're putting out, science content, full-length tutorials, all sorts of stuff, even our Monday motivational quotes. Even if it's not Monday, you can check them out. So I hope that's helpful. See you next time.